Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you on my channel, and in this video we are going to make textures that look like concrete. I really like these images. This design will look great with dark gray gel lacquer and with the lighter shades of waxes. You can also pick up any kind of wax that you like it's better it can be gold, bronze or silver. Degrease the tip before coating gel nail polish. I have a very large variety of waxes. Choose ombre color gel polish and cover this shade in 2 layers, then erase the sticky layer. Texture I will do on tips with an ordinary dishwashing sponge. You can also use a removing or any other kind of sponge. I cut myself small pieces and put the gel polish on so you don't get bright spots right away and don't flood the wall. The decision we do a couple of strokes on the palette, first white gel point, then dry it and then black gel point. Then cover with a matte top. Erase the adhesive and draw gold gel paint lines similar to branches vertically with an offset to the side. I paint a lot of these branches terms so that there is more of them, and I put it in the lamp to dry for about a minute, and after that I'll already be rubbing in the magic pollen. We took a golden gel paint because after applying the wax and wipe the rest of the nail we can accidentally rub off in some places, and if there is a gold base under the wax it will be invisible. Then we will take a metallic gold powder, a clean sponge, and begin to rub on the prepared here these elements of the design. Simply tap in the powder and rub it all into our stubs. We are going to use a soft brush to remove everything. I take a cotton swab, you see here, a little one like this, to clean all around this. I dip it in alcohol and I start to clean it off. The final touch is to cover this whole design with a top thick without a sticky layer. Then we repeat on a similar design but already on the plum sheet. Cover in 2 layers, erase the sticky layer and begin to make chaotic movements of the gel paint with a sponge, drying in between. If you want to get the smoothest possible result in your design, try not to put too much pressure on the applicator. Then I will do everything exactly the same with the black color. After drying I apply the black color, also try not to press too hard on the applicator. I make light and smooth movements. We cover it with a matte top. We erase the sticky layer and draw lines with the gold gel paint as much and as voluminous as possible. This type of design is a very simple salon option. You can also repeat it very quickly on your client. Hope you really like it. Be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. Of course, there are many ways to create the texture of concrete in nail design, but I think this one is the easiest and the fastest. You end up with a texture that looks the most similar to natural concrete. How do you like the result? I think this is one of the simplest and most stylish nail designs. Textures are a trend which will be around for a very long time. It looks simple and minimalistic, but very modern at the same time. And do you like textures on your nails? Write in the comments. Again, we take the metallic gold powder sponge and start rubbing on the sticky layer of paints these elements of the design. Simply type in the powder and rub it all into our stops. I think the magic is happening. It's okay if the powder falls on the matte layer. We'll get rid of that. The most important thing is that on the sides and everywhere well wrapped, because the steps are convex. Usually these designs are not used on all the nails, but one or two as a supplement. So wiping off the unwanted wax will not take much work. The final touch is to cover this whole design with a top thick without a sticky layer. This is my first YouTube channel ever, and this is my fourth video here on YouTube ever. So I'm very excited about this. This is something that I've actually was really hesitant about, and I was thinking long and hard about this, but because like a lot of people on my Instagram been asking me how I achieved certain designs on my page, I said here, why not just start a YouTube channel? So make sure you guys keep watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and smash that notification bell, so that way you'll be notified every single time I drop a new nail video. So again, thank you so much for stopping by to my YouTube channel, and yeah, let's continue on to the video. I think this third design looks more like a concrete shade, and I think it came out very cool. Top off our design with a wax seal. Thank you all for watching. In the next video I will show other designs that can be done with wax on nails. See you on my channel. Good luck in your endeavors.